Welcome back to Book Pairings, where great stories inspire creative gifts and meaningful moments. Are you looking for the perfect Father's Day gift from the kids? Something fun, thoughtful, and a little bit silly? You're in the right place. Today, we're driving into Mitchell's License by Haley Durand, illustrated by Tony Ficile, a sweet and hilarious picture book about a boy, a bedtime routine, and a very important license to drive Dad. This book is full of heart and humor, and it's the perfect starting point for a Father's Day gift that's equal parts homemade and memorable. Think DIY, think imaginative play, and think celebrating Dad in the most playful way possible. Stick around for ideas your kids can help create. Funny, heartfelt pairings that will make Dad smile and feel extra loved this Father's Day. So here's the story. Mitchell is 3 years old, and like many 3-year-olds, he's not super into bedtime.
No!
But one night, his dad says the right thing. Do you want to drive?
Okay.
Suddenly, bedtime becomes a lot more interesting. Mitchell drives his dad, who is now the car. He steers his ears, honks his nose, and wants to fuel him up with cookies. The whole thing is hilarious and heartwarming, and the best part, it becomes a routine. There are giggles, there's bonding, and there's a sweet layer of trust and play between parent and child. And while it's full of fun, the book also gently reinforces things like responsibility, respect, and cooperation. Honestly, it's picture book gold. Whoa, slow down, driver. Gift pairings ahead, and you don't want to miss these.
No tires.
We went with a classic. The Ultra Ideas Mock Loafer Slipper from Amazon. No laces, no fuss. Just slip on and cruise. They're soft, cushioned with memory foam, and lined with breathable terry, so no stinky feet after a long day on the road. Or, around the house. The non-slip sole works indoors or outside, and if they get messy, just toss them in the wash. Comfort rating? Deluxe. Dad's feet are in for a smooth ride. Up next, our custom-made Dadmobile shirt. We use toy monster trucks, cars, and all kinds of wheels, dip them in black fabric paint, and roll them across the back of a plain white t-shirt that we got from Target. The result? A one-of-a-kind Tiger Track masterpiece. We added Dadmobile to the front, and honestly, the kids had the best time making this. It's a little messy, simple, and totally Dad-worthy. I think he's gonna love it.
I want my ride to be Cumberland Tires. I love you, Dad.
Let's not forget about the interior of the Dadmobile, of course. These PJ pants might be on the outside, but they keep the inside cozy and cruising in comfort. We found this pair at Walmart. Lightweight, soft, and perfect for weekend lounging or weekday pit stops on the couch. And when Dad's engine starts purring, snoring, you'll know the interior is working just right. Be sure to check the links below for some fun car-inspired prints. Okay, so you don't want to deal with a mess. How about something that is simply fun? This track mat t-shirt from Amazon turns Dad's back into a raceway and a mini massage. The kids play and Dad relaxes. Consider it a pit stop therapy session. Either choice is sure to be a winner. Here's a fun game your kids will love. It's called Mechanic Mayhem. Dad, the car, suddenly breaks down. Oh no! The kids become the mechanics, ready to spring into action. Set up a repair station using toy tools or whatever you have around. Then, Dad makes silly car sounds and calls out problems. My steering's stuck. I've got a flat tire. My horn won't work. The kids rush in with full dramatic flair, performing imaginative repairs to get the Dadmobile back in working order. It's the perfect mix of pretend play, nurturing, and downright silliness. Expect a whole lot of laughter. Just like Mitchell can tell when his dad's running low, you can too, by keeping Dad refueled with a new cup that fits his model perfectly. Make sure you check his oil often and refill as needed. We would hate for Dad to overheat. You can find these 4 cups on Amazon. I'll provide the links in the description box below. Every car needs fuel, and every dad does too. We're filling up his tank with something extra sweet, homemade cookies. We went with classic chocolate chip, but you can bake whatever your car prefers. Just pop them in a jar, slap on a Dad's Fuel label, and boom, refueling station ready. And don't worry, Mitchell's car might say no cookies before bed, but we think Dad's earned a pass, at least for Father's Day. Quick! Grab a flashlight. It's time for the Hazard Light dance party. We even made a car-themed playlist to keep the fun rolling. Crank up the tunes, flick those lights, and bust out your best dance moves. Dad's the car, you're the crew, and this driveway just turned into a dance floor. Let's flash those hazard lights. For this gift, we made a special license plate just for Dad, because every great car needs one. We used the same tire print technique from the t-shirt, rolling toy cars and trucks through paint to leave tracks across the plate. Then we added bold letters, number 1 Dad, because, let's be honest, he is. It's hands-on, creative, and simple. And the best part, it's one of a kind, just like him. It's always important to be ready for any car emergencies, and Dad's are no different. We put together an emergency snack box with the help of this box that we found in the Target Bullseye Playground section, and filled it with some of Dad's favorites. No box? No problem. A brown paper bag works just fine. Let the kids go wild with markers, stickers, and anything else to personalize Dad's emergency kit. It's perfect for those snack attacks on the go, or just to keep him from getting hangry in traffic. I know I've shared a lot already, but I think there may be a little more room left in the trunk. Here are a few more gift ideas that could be just the thing to top off your Dadmobile gift. As we pan through all the fun gift pairings from this video, just a quick note. I'm not an affiliate with Amazon, Target, or Walmart. These are just items we found and thought were fun. Whether you shop online, head to the store, or make it all by hand, you can create a wonderful gift that works with any budget. It's all about celebrating Dad in a wonderful, playful way. And that's a wrap on Mitchell's License. A fun, heartfelt story that reminds us just how important it is to take good care of the car that keeps the family rolling, Dad. Whether it's cozy PJ pants for the Dadmobile, a playful license plate, or a cookie jar full of his favorites, these pairings are all about showing love in a way that's thoughtful, lighthearted, and just plain fun. Father's Day doesn't have to be fancy to be meaningful. It just has to be full of heart. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you're looking for a sweet summer read, check out my last video featuring Donut Dreams Hole in the Middle. It's full of creative pairings and fun. Thanks for watching, and happy Father's Day!